Hello coffeeholics and mocha pot lovers. Today is another mocha pot video, and this time I'm going to show you a new find. In a previous video I showed you my Latte Venus, which is made of pure stainless steel, and so it is food grade. It's very good to use, and also it looks absolutely gorgeous. Today I'm going to share with you my new mocha pot in my collection, and it is a glass mocha pot. Now this is also made of stainless steel, except that the pot is actually transparent, it's see-through. It's made of tempered glass and everything else is stainless steel. So we are going to find out how this works and whether it brews the same as or even better than my other regular mocha pots. So stay tuned until the end of this video clip. This is a 4-cup mocha pot, similar to your 2-cup Bricka or your 3-cup Mocha Express, and it also comes in another size. This is a 6-cup glass mocha pot, so 4-cup and 6-cup. This is equivalent to your 6-cup or 4-cup Bricka and 6-cup regular Mocha Express or generic Mocha Express. Another 6-cup, but this time this is especially for induction stove. Well, it's not especially for induction stove. It can be used for induction stove, gas burner, electric hot plate. So this is more versatile. For this video clip, I am going to try this 4-cup glass mocha pot and see how it brews. The first thing you have to do is to clean all the parts. Make sure you clean it with just plain water. And then what we need to do is to test the system by putting water in the boiler, no coffee yet, and let it go through the process once and then twice. And now I'm sure that my mocha pot is clean. And after that, what you have to do is to test using coffee. You can use old coffee grounds so that you don't have to waste anything. So the first brew, throw it away. The second brew, throw it away again. Now I have completely tested my brand new glass mocha pot. This time I am going to brew my first drinkable cup of coffee. So let's go through the whole process. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 2 cups of cappuccino or latte, depending on how my milk turned out. First, make sure you put your pot on a piece of cloth there, and then we're going to fill up this boiler with water, warm water if you can. So I have here my warm water. This time I'm going to brew a full cup, so I'm just going to fill my boiler up to just below the spout with warm water. Okay, there you go, a little bit more. And now I am going to fill my basket with ground coffee. I'm using medium to fine grind coffee, and here I'm going to use a dosing ring which fits perfectly with my 4-cup or 3-cup mocha pot. And then if you don't have a grinder, you just buy ground coffee. Stir to distribute the ground coffee evenly. Use the funnel to gather the grounds towards the center. And now to use the paper filter. I normally dip it in water so that there's no leakage along the sides of your mocha pot. Wet the paper filter. Now lock the pot on and make sure you have a cloth that you can use to hold your boiler, which is quite hot. Wow, it is now coming out and is perfectly creamy. Look at that. I'm just going to open it to show you how beautiful our brew is coming out to be. Wow. With this, you can keep the lid on and you can actually see the coffee brewing into your pot. And pour the coffee. I'm just going to split it into 2 cups here. Very strong brew. Okay, just a regular flat white. This is just warm milk here. And if you want to add a little bit of foam, then I'm going to Put my foam here. And that is your latte. Now these are my two deliciously looking hot latte using the moka pot. The coffee looks strong enough, and I'm just going to give it a try and see whether it tastes as good as it looks. It is perfect. You actually cannot tell whether this is coming from a moka pot or an espresso. Absolutely delicious. If any of you would like to get one of these to add to your collection, I'm going to put the link down below, but these will be shipped from Thailand, so if you're ordering from overseas, please allow about 10 to 14 days before they get to you. If you have any questions at all about these, do let me know, comment below. Also, don't forget to check out my books, All Things Milk Tea and the Basic Barista, details on how to order in the description box below. In the meantime, take care, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.